Cobra 3 is a top trading system that we have. This strategy, I began developing it in 2003, 2004 time frame, 2005 that time frame, and we recommended this strategy at the beginning of the year as one of the top strategies. It's having a huge year. It's calling these market turns. It doesn't trade every day. You see many days it doesn't trade, and that's part of systematic trading. It's one of the reasons why we mainly focus on portfolios, is because any individual strategy may not trade for a while. Any individual strategy may go through a losing streak for a while. But this strategy in particular, Cobra 3 E-mini S&P, is ideal for this type of market. It is up on the year. Let's look at the annual. 13,012 on 77 trades. Approaching around $180 per trade this year. The last 12 months is 13,850. The biggest year on this is 13,800. I have the data going back to 1997, but it uses a VIX filter, and the VIX only goes back to 2003. So if we took the VIX filter out, we could test it back further, and there is positive performance before that. But you see, there can be times when a strategy like this is with slippage and commission, by the way. So we have $25 round turn slippage and commission. So going back all the way to 2003, 56.87 before slippage and commission, and in recent markets much higher. Let's go back to 7/1/2015, and we could look at the performance basically over the last 6 years, and you'll see the average trade profit is much higher. This is a $600 stop loss, $600 profit target, or it exits at the end of the day, and it won't take more than one trade per day, and it doesn't trade every day. So you can define your risk, and I'm going to look at this the last 6 years so you can see the most recent performance for the current market environment. So here it is, 61.33 with $25 round turn slippage and commission, 44.6250 drawdown, 42.437.50. Here is the equity curve, and once again that's going back to mid 2015. Nice trading period for this strategy. You know, any given strategy can stop working for a time period. It can have a drawdown, but this is the latest performance for Cobra 3. I want to show you the latest on Cobra 3 E-mini Nasdaq as well. Here are the results for Cobra 3 E-mini Nasdaq. Taking a look here at this. Here is the equity curve, really good since 2014, really good since 2017. The Cobra, the Nasdaq, I was really designed this for the E-mini S&P. Now the Nasdaq is at nice trading ranges and levels to trade this, and you can see that in the last 4 years since 2017. 37.58 average trade profit with slippage and commission. That also includes this time period from here back, which includes 2 very long flat periods. And so if you look at the average trade profit in recent trading, it's much higher, about $100 per trade on average, inclusive of $25 slippage and commission over the last 12 months. And so you can see the annual results. 2018 did really well, 2020 did really well, 2021 or the last 12 months is up pretty well. So average trade profit was pretty high in 2020, over $100, about $180 in 2018, about $100 in 2015 on average trade profit, and a little less than $100 in 2008. Different index values. So this is the Cobra 3 strategy. This lays out the case for what real world trading systems look like if they're not optimized, if they have slippage and commission, and you test them over a long period of time. You have multi-year sideways to drawdowns. You don't have straight line equity curves when you look at real world trading systems that are not optimized with slippage and commission. And so this is what it looks like, and the goal is to improve our reward over risk. We do that by combining these we combine individual trading systems into a portfolio, but these are some of the best individual strategies that we have, especially for recent performance. And so if you want to trade just one strategy, this Cobra 3 is one of the top strategies that you could trade right now that's doing really well and has done well since 2015, 2016, 2017 time frame.